wired for distraction, eyes glued to the screen, so you can pacify the masses with lotteries and cheap caffeine. Corporations cutting corners and poor bastards obey. What's the cost of a few lives with labor wasting away? State-run optimism rations can't produce what they imply, and all of us working masses can't afford the dream to die. Being lost in institution, these wages won't provide a guilt-free living for the middle class and lighters who died. To manufacture cheap products, convenience at the price, more than a number on a sticker, human sacrifice. State-run optimism rations can't produce what they imply, and all of us working masses can't afford the